Okay. Good morning, everybody. 8th class students. So, subject is social. Today's social subject for 8th class students. Some important lessons. Previous class, some lessons discussed. Some lessons discussed. Mean first lesson is completed and 11th A chapter and 11th B chapter also come. Today the second chapter. The second chapter today discuss. The second chapter named Energy from the Sun. Energy from the Sun. Energy, it is the main important source of the earth. Our earth is a non-luminous body. I mean, planets is a non-luminous bodies. Why? In solar system, there are 8 planets there. The planets is completely depend upon earth. Energy, temperature, light, heat, all things from the sun. Energy is the power. Energy, power. Main our earth received the energy from the sun. Without sun, we can't do planet. I mean, yeah. Our life also imaginary. Our life also is can't. Our earth, one of the planet, our earth is completely depend upon the sun. Without sun, our earth can't. Life we can't. Our earth surface, not even. I mean, it is a diversity. Our land forms is diversity. Climate conditions, atmosphere conditions is completely different region, different areas. Suppose example, temperature, rainfall, climate conditions, humidity. There are some climate atmospherical conditions also completely quite different. Not even. Suppose some area is the highest temperature recorded. Suppose our earth planet. Our earth planet will have the main latitude passing middle of the earth. The latitude name equator. Equator is the biggest latitude. Is the 0 degrees latitude. Or earth, highest temperature regions, some regions, lowest temperatures, medium temperatures, very low temperatures. Some regions very cold regions, some regions cold, some regions full hot regions. Why? It is the main reason, it is the main cause. Sun rays, main important regions there, main regions the distance from sun to earth. Suppose see, allow you see Sunday, it's like left. Just like sun. The sun rays is vertically right on the earth. The sun rays is on the straight on the earth. I mean equatorial region. The sun rays is vertically or straight on the equator. Main reason, what is important result? Sun rays is straight on the equator. Equator or equatorial region is very hot. Why? The sun rays is completely straight on the equator. Equator region is completely hot, high temperature. Suppose sun rays is long distance on the pole, north pole and south. I mean polar regions. I mean sun rays on the poles region, long distance. Long distance. I mean the sun rays is the main source or the main energy of the earth. See, allow me see, equator is very hot. Why? The sun rays is completely vertical and straight on the equator. Okay, the region is very hot. The sun rays is long distance on the north pole, south pole region. The climate is very cold. Okay, this important information. It is the angle of incidence. The main reason, the sun rays is angle of incidence. Angle 90 degrees angle, 60 degrees, 40 degrees. Okay, the angle of incidence is the important reason. The sun rays is the important reason. Our earth to receive energy, temperature, all things from the sun. Here, suppose example, temperature regions. Highest temperature region, the world, the Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert located situated in the equatorial region. is located equatorial region in Africa, north part of the Africa. North part of the Africa means the area is completely equator region. The region is very hot. Why? The sun rays is completely straight on the equator. Highest temperature recorded there, and lowest temperature Antarctica region and Arctic regions. I mean polar regions. Highest rainfall regions, I mean wettest places. Our India highest wettest place Meghalaya state, Cherrapunji, once upon Cherrapunji, the highest rainfall recording. Today, Masinram is the highest rainfall recorded region. Masinram and Cherrapunji is the highest wettest place in our country. Here, energy from the sun lesson. Not only energy, there are number of resources. There are number of resources received from the sun. Our earth received from the sun. Power, temperature, heat, light, etc. These things is completely available from sun. Is the main source of the earth. It is the main source of the earth. Why? Our earth climate conditions is not even. I mean not equal. Unequal mean even. Why? The main reason, the sun rays distance. The sun rays distance, I mean the angle of incidence of the sun rays. The angle of incidence of the sun rays is the main influence our climate conditions, our atmosphere, our rainfall, temperature, etc. And example, equator region also very wettest place. Highest rainfall also recorded in equator region. While highest rainfall region is completely covered with forest, thickest forest, evergreen forest. Is also equatorial forests also equatorial. Why highest rainfall region there? Highest rainfall region main comfortable of the growth of the trees. Equatorial forest is the thickest forest in the world. Main cause energy from the sun or sun rays from the sun. Our earth received energy, temperature, heat, all things from the sun. Without sun, our life also can't. Our earth also can't. Here, our earth is the important planet in our solar system. Why? The atmospheric conditions. comfortable for the people, comfortable for the humankind, human beings. Only having a without planets, so can't any human living. Today scientists discover some planets, any living things are any human beings there. Maybe present also is the main planet, our Earth planet in solar system. While the Earth and Sun relations. Earth is a non-luminous body, Sun is a luminous body. Luminous body means the Sun is the whole reproduce the power. There is no depend upon other bodies. Planets, there is no one generated or one reproduce the power, temperature, etc. Only star, Sun also star. Stars is the luminous bodies. Okay, or class energy from the Sun. Today our chapter, some important topics to discuss in there. The topics energy from the Sun topic. Second lesson today start. Second lesson energy from the Sun. సూర్యుడి నుంచి భూమి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఈ యొక్క కాంతిని, ఈ యొక్క ఎనర్జీని, శక్తిని, లైట్ని తీసుకుంటుంది. భూమి అంతా మన భూగోళం ఏం చేస్తుంటే సూర్యుడి మీద ఈ సూర్యుని వచ్చేటువంటి ఇవన్నీ కూడా భూమికి ఎంత ఉపయోగం. ఇప్పుడు మనకి డే టైంలో సన్లైట్ వస్తుంది, టెంపరేచర్ వస్తుంది కదా. అదేవిధంగా లైట్, డే టైం మనం లైట్స్ ఆన్ చేయాలి, ఇంట్లో లైట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ లైట్స్, బల్బ్స్ ఓన్లీ నైట్ టైం. ఎందుకు? డే టైం ఇస్ కంప్లీట్లీ లైట్ ఏంది? సూర్యుడు, సన్నేగా, సన్ ఉండబట్టేగా మనం డే టైం లైట్స్ ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాం. మనకి మార్నింగ్ లైట్ ఇస్తున్నంతా కూడా కాంతి ఇస్తున్నారు, సన్ ఇస్తున్నాడు, పవర్ ఇస్తున్నాడు, సన్ టెంపరేచర్ ఇస్తున్నాడు, లైట్ ఇస్తున్నాడు, సో మెనీ రిసోర్సెస్. అందుకని మనకి ఈ ఎనర్జీ అనేది సన్ నుంచి వస్తుంది అనే టాపిక్లో జస్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్, ఫస్ట్ బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ లెసన్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. దీని మీద 8th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళు హోంవర్క్ write about the energy from the Sun. Energy from the Sun. అంటే ఎనర్జీ ఫ్రమ్ ద సన్ అనేటువంటి ఆ టాపిక్లో దాని గురించి జస్ట్ మీరు ఒక 4-5 పాయింట్స్ రాయండి. అంటే ఈ లెసన్ నేను చెప్పిన దాని మీద హౌ టు ఎనర్జీ ఫ్రమ్ ద సన్ దాని గురించి జస్ట్ సింపుల్లో రాయండి. జస్ట్ లెసన్ చెప్పిన దాని మీద ఓకేనా. దీంట్లో 8th క్లాస్ టాపిక్ నెక్స్ట్ లెసన్ కంటిన్యూషన్.